expression 1 over root 2 plus root 5. If you ask to rationalize this, we rationalize it by multiplying it by the conjugate. The conjugate of root 2 plus root 5 is root 2 minus root 5. So we'll make the fraction of it, which is this, and we'll now use it to multiply this. So we need to multiply this minus this over root 2. This time this I have root 2. This time this I have minus root 5. So I'll simplify that to any one. Then I come to the denominator. This time this has root 4. This time this minus root 10. This time this plus root 10. This time this plus times minus minus. Then this time that's root 25. So I'm going to have. Then I simplify this further by saying root 2 minus root 5 over root 4 is 2. Minus root 10 plus root 10 is cancelled out. Minus root 25 is 5. So I have root 2 minus root 5 over 2 minus 5, that's minus 3. So which can be written as minus 1 over 3 into root 2 minus root 5. Go to the option. Do you have such in the option? No, 1 with that. So that means this is the answer really, but we need to transform it to suit what will be in the option. Now, if this minus open this bracket, I have 1 over 3. If this minus open this bracket, I have minus times this, that will be minus root 2. Minus times this, that becomes plus root 5. So which can be restructured as 1 over 3. It will now be, this one can come to the front, root 5, then you have minus root 2. So it has been restructured now. So let's go to the option and see what will definitely be the answer. So in the option, if you check option A, we discover that A will match that. That is why most times the answer may not be left the way you have simplified it. So that's why it takes somebody with sound understanding of mathematics to know that this one can be restructured to give you something this, which will now suit this option A. So option A will definitely be the answer to this question number 15. So let's move to question number 16, which says that write the equation this in a form not involving logarithm. So that means we have to remove the logarithm. So in that situation, how do we go about that? So here we have 2 log x base 2 minus x log 1 plus y base 2 equals to 3. So since we are operating, this one is in logarithm, this is in logarithm, we have to convert this also to logarithm. So by so doing, we have 2 log x base 2 minus x log 1 plus y base 2. Then if I want to convert this, if I want to convert this 3 to log in base 2, it will be 3 into log 2 base 2, because log of the same base is 1, and 1 times 3 will still give me 3. So I have not violated the fundamental principle governing mathematics. So at this point, then I can transfer this to this. So I have, this can come here, then I have log x squared base 2 minus, this one can also come here, then I have log 1 plus y raised to power x is 2. Then I have log 2 raised to power 3 base 2. Then here, this is base 2. Then by law of logarithm, I can say log x squared over 1 plus y raised to power x base 2 is the same thing as log 8 is 2, because 2 raised to the power 3 is 8. Then here, equating the base, I can cancel out this, then I will be left with x squared over 1 plus y raised to the power x equals to 8. Then here, so I have this, then my x squared, remember that this one is like this, so by my x squared, you can see that as I'm solving it, I'm checking my option, because it's not only about solving it, you must be able to pick the right option. So that is why I'm looking at my option, I'm solving it. So here, then let me cross multiply. So by that, 1 times x squared, then this one, this times this, that will be 8 into 1 plus 1 raised to the power x. So if you look at your option, let's see the one that suits this answer that I have. Option A, no. Option B, no. Option C, yes. Option D, no. So the answer to this question is option C, which says that x squared equals to 8 into 1 plus y, all raised to the power x. So that is the answer to the question. Question 17, you have find alpha and beta in this. So in this you have x raised to the power 3 over 8 times y raised to the power minus 6 over 7 times y raised to the power 9 over 7 divided by x raised to the power minus 45 over 8. Everything affected by 1 over 9 equals to x alpha, then y beta. Now, look at what you have here, then we can deduce that. Let's simplify this first. We have x 3 over 8 times y minus 6 over 7 times, then when this one open this, you have y 9 over 7 times 1 over 9. That's the way to multiply that by law of logarithm, law of indices rather. Then we have x minus 45 over 8 times 1 over 9 equals to x raised to the power alpha and y raised to the power beta. Now, this 9 can cancel this 9. This 9 here 1, 9 here 5. So I have x 3 over 8 times y minus 6 over 7. Then I have times y 1 over 7 divided by x, that's minus 5 over 8. So I have minus 5 over 8 as y 1 over 7 divided by x is power minus 5 over 8 equals to x raised to the power alpha and y raised to the power beta. Now, what we tend to do here is to find a common expression for our x and y, so that we can now pair them up with alpha, x raised to the power alpha and y raised to the power beta respectively. So by so doing, then I have x raised to the power 3 over 8. Then if this one comes up now, you have times, this one comes up, it becomes x raised to the power 5 over 8. This minus will disappear when it comes up. Then you have times y minus 6 over 7 times y 1 over 7 equals to x alpha and y beta. So here, by law of indices, we can do this. Then we have what's the, you have a multiplication becomes addition. So you have 3 over 8 plus 5 over 8 times y minus 6 over 7 plus 1 over 7 equals to x raised to the power alpha y beta. Then here I have LCM of this x. What's the LCM? 8. How many would you see 8? 1. 1 times 8, 3 plus x, 8 in this 1. 1 times this 5. So times y, also the same LCM 7. This in this 1. 1 times this minus 6. This in this that is 1. 1 times this, 1. So I have, then this one becomes x equals to x raised to power alpha, y raised to power beta. Then this one becomes, this plus this, 8 over 8 times y minus 5 over 7 equals to x alpha, y beta. Now this one becomes x raised to power 1 times y raised to power minus y raised to power minus 5 over 7. Then I have, then this one can now be x raised to power alpha. If I want to bring this my y, this y raised to power beta up, it will be y raised to power minus beta. That is the, we are still, law of indices is still in play here. Then I compare this with this. So I have x raised to power 1 equals to x raised to power alpha. Then I have y raised to power minus 5 over 7 equals to y raised to power minus beta. Comparing coefficients, I'm comparing these two terms. S can cancel x by equating that, then alpha becomes 1. Then by comparing this, I have this cancel this, I have minus beta equals to minus 5 over 7. Then minus can divide both sides by minus 1. Divide this 2 by minus 1. So minus cancel minus. So beta now becomes minus cancel minus 5 over 7. Therefore, alpha equals to 1 and beta equals to 5 over 7. So to go to our option here, try to look at the option that will match what we have. We have alpha equals to 1, beta equals to 5 over 7. Alpha equals to 1, beta equals to 7. So therefore, our option A is the answer to the question. Question number 18. That one says that log 8 is 10 minus log 4 is 10 divided by log 4 is 10 minus log 2 is 10. I want to simplify this. 8 is 2 times 2 times 2 into 3 places, so I can say log 2 raised to power 3 is 10 is 8 minus 4 is 2 times 2, that's 2 raised to power 2